2019 Super Nautique GS20. It is canary yellow hull bottom and upper deck accent stripe, with the accent and forward stripe being gunmetal, and the mystic white main stripe. White Chromax graphics on the side, sitting on a tandem axle boat-made trailer with extended steps, transom tie downs, bow ladder, swing away tongue, and LED lights. Went with the white platform, optioned with swingway board racks, one pair of 8.8 tower speakers that have speaker covers on them, bimini, 35% window tint, premium oversized mirror, absolutely gorgeous color scheme on this GS20. You see here, we have our NSS plates. NCRS plate in the middle. Surf pipe right in the middle as well. Let's go ahead and jump up on the interior and take a look at the interior features. The primary color is tungsten gray. The main stripe is frost gray. Texture, frost gray. Accent piping is canary yellow, and your seat box basing is canary yellow as well. There's the two 8.8 tower speakers, bimini, awareness camera, our board racks. Like I said before, they are swivel board racks. Nice big walkthrough here to get into the interior of the boat. Sea deck on top of the gunnels all the way around the boat, so that you have a non-skid step into the boat, and nice and safe, so you won't slip on the gel coat. Real quick, we'll pop these open. Nice deep storage. It communicates through up underneath that seat right there. You can get full-size skis down in here, and you can actually get multiple down both sides. Subfloor ballast allows for this all to be straight storage and no ballast bags. Before I open up the engine hatch, we have the ski pylon optioned on this boat. It's on a gas shock, so turn it back down and just turn it. It is optioned with the PCM ZR4. It is 400 horsepower, 6 liter. It is optioned with the Fender Pro. You have your pop-up cleats, gas tank fill on both sides, so it's a complete duplicate on the other side. One tank filled from either side. Great storage. So you saw the back compartments. On the interior, you've got everything sitting on a hinge or gas shock. You see here that we have our trash can and our cooler. The opposite side is just pure storage. If you would like to not step on your vinyl at any point in time, getting in or out of the boat, you can remove that, and you have a non-skid step right there. And that's also how you get to your ballast pumps and to your T-handle drain plug. 4 cockpit speakers, 2 back here on this port side, 1 underneath the driver's foot, another one right here. Charging ports all over the boat. Sticking with the stereo, there are 2 speakers optioned on this one in the bow. And then under our observer passenger seat storage, we have a 10-inch sub. That is all storage right there. Nice big unobstructed space right there. And then right here, that big plastic piece is your air dam, which has been optioned on this boat. It is a dual battery system. Come in here, and we've got our heated seat. So you can see that turns blue. That heats this seat right here. This has been optioned with. And then this is your stereo head unit. Big glove box, C-deck interior, so things aren't clanking around. Phone holder, nice little C-deck, non-skid area, holds your stuff. You've got your link pan array screen, which has a little too much to show on one video, but you saw your awareness camera there that we had talked about before. Get rid of it. It is a touch screen, and it is also something you can drive with this right here. You can see the highlighted areas switching. Touch screen. Able to hit users, ballast, and accessories. Heater defroster optioned on the boat. Defroster right there. Heat vent right there. And the second one right there. It is GPS cruise control. Absolutely gorgeous GS20. If you have any questions, give sales department a call here at N3 Boatworks, 317-845-9253.